English Phrases Unpacked. Make a scene. Hello, and welcome to today's English language learning session. In this video, we're going to explore the phrase, make a scene. This is a common expression in English, and understanding it can really enhance your conversational skills. So, let's dive in and unravel its meaning and usage. The phrase, make a scene, is used to describe someone causing a public disturbance or creating an embarrassing situation. It often implies drawing unwanted attention in a social setting. For example, if someone starts shouting in a restaurant, they are making a scene. It's important to note that this phrase usually has a negative connotation. Understanding the origins of phrases can sometimes help us remember their meanings. The term, make a scene, likely comes from the world of theater, where a scene refers to a part of a play. In this context, making a scene would be creating a dramatic moment, which has evolved into its current usage implying causing a public disturbance. Let's see some examples to understand it better. 1. When she didn't get her way, she made a scene at the store, yelling at the staff. 2. Please behave at the dinner party. We don't want to make a scene. These examples show how the phrase can be used in different situations to describe creating a public disturbance. Knowing synonyms or similar phrases can expand your vocabulary. Some synonyms for make a scene include cause a commotion, create a fuss, stir up trouble. These phrases can be used interchangeably depending on the context. That's all for today's session on the phrase, make a scene. Remember, it's a phrase that implies causing a public disturbance, often in a negative way. We hope this video helps you in your journey to mastering English. Keep practicing, and don't forget to join us for more language learning tips. See you next time.